Alright, here's a quick and dirty example of some code that might help you out. I've attached a script here, an enum example, to the NPC here, and look, I got a drop-down menu with these different options. So how do I make this thing? Well, it's super simple. Before that class, right, within that script here, public enum, and then this is the name of it, NPC type, and then these are the different options. You see these options match the options on the inspector window I showed earlier. They match these options. So why do this? Well, then if you put it in the script here, what you choose in the inspector window can then auto-load the rest of the scripts. So as we have here, I have this function define NPC type. So say I chose the greedy merchant in the inspector window. Then when the game starts, it'll see that this thing is a greedy merchant. It'll switch to that case, and it'll add all the relevant scripts or logic for the greedy merchant. So if this was an NPC, and if I had, real quick, I could put a bunch of them, right? I have one, it's a greedy merchant. I could do another, and just right here in the window. So it's easy to debug, to switch, and now I have the different NPCs already defined. I just have to hit play. Upon hitting play then, the script will auto-recognize what you chose, and it'll load the relevant scripts. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you for your future games. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers.